Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude. Smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors. I'm the man in the city. I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
What's up, y'all? On today's episode of stuff we probably shouldn't do, but we're gonna do anyway. We're flying the EFXtra out here. Actually, there's plenty of space to fly it. I'm only worried about my landing. Because my landing luck today has been I went to a different field out in Boulder, and I ripped the landing gear out of two birds. I'm going with this one first instead of the V900 because, for one, the V900 is discontinued, and two, this one actually, in all honesty, it hand launches and glides a little slower. Easier to control that low speed. There we go.
Motor on.
Which way is the wind blowing? If at all. Looks like it's not, so. Yo, this thing flies so well, even after all the stuff that it's been through.
Time remaining, 1 minute.
All right, we're gonna set up and get ready to land. All right, no throttle. We gliding. Some poop.
Motor on.
Found some horse poo with that one. So now it's all trimmed out and it flies really well. I had to give it some down, some right. I like to mechanically adjust to make these sit right so I can fly them with zero trim on the transmitter, but I'm gonna leave this one alone. It's been crashed so much. Yo, that was fun. See y'all next time.